Some skincare advice sounds helpful, but it's quietly damaging your skin. Today we're breaking down the biggest skincare myths that keep your skin stuck. If you want clear, healthy skin without confusion, watch till the end. Myth 1. Oily skin doesn't need moisturizer. Oily skin still needs moisture. Oil and hydration are not the same thing. When you skip moisturizer, your skin becomes dehydrated and starts producing even more oil to protect itself. The result? Shinier skin and more breakouts. The solution isn't to avoid moisturizer, it's to choose a lightweight, non-greasy one. Myth 2. More products mean better results. Using 10 steps doesn't give you 10 times better skin. Too many products can irritate your barrier and confuse your skin. Most people see improvement when they simplify: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen, and one active at most. Myth 3. Natural always means safe. Natural ingredients can still irritate the skin. Essential oils, heavy fragrances, and plant extracts often trigger redness and sensitivity. What matters is the formula and research behind it, not the word natural on the label. Myth 4. If it burns, it's working. Burning is not progress. Stinging and redness are signs your barrier is struggling. Good skincare should feel calm and comfortable, not painful. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or aggressive to work. Subscribe to bglowskin Care for science-based skincare made simple.